Hi, in this video we are going to continue in our method book with the alto saxophone on line 27, Aura Lee. So let's go through, look for patterns, and see what we have. As always at the beginning we have our treble clef, followed by our key signature. We have one sharp and it is located on the top line, so it is an F sharp. Tells us all Fs are sharp even if we don't have any. And it also tells us our key. If we have an F sharp in the key signature and that's it, then we are in the key of G. Now we have our time signature, which is 4/4 time. Top number tells us how many beats are in each measure. Bottom number gives us the value of the whole note. So let's break that down. If the whole note gets 4 beats, half of a whole is a half and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. Half of a half is a quarter and half of 2 is 1. So the quarter notes get 1 beat each. And we have quite a bit of movement skipping around, so we're just going to walk through each note. We start with a quarter note G, 1, 2, 3, skip up to a C, then B, back to C, measure 2, we have a D, which is going to be all the fingers plus the octave key on the back, D, down to A, back up to a half note D, and now we're going to move stepwise. C, B, A, B, half note C, half note G. The second line, I hope you've noticed, the first 3 measures are exactly the same in the second line as they are in the first line. The only difference is measure 4 at the end, you are going to hold a whole note C instead of a half note C to a G. And that is the only difference. So I have my metronome set to 92 beats per minute. And when you play, make sure you start each note with a T sound, tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed. And I'm going to play through line 27. I hope you can follow along and play along if you're ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Oh no, don't want to have that kind of start. 1, 2, 3. And that is it for line 27, Aura Lee, which is also one of your red belt requirements. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.